Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Hafiz, and today we will talk about Product Information Management module in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Product Information Management is responsible for creating and maintaining products in the application. To create new product, we need to go here, then we need to go to Product Information Management module, then release product. Here is a list of all the released products in this legal entity, USMF. To create new product, you need to click on New button. Here is a list of the important fields that you need to fill. So first one is product type. Product type can be either item or service. Item for tangible items that can be counted in your warehouse. Service like renting, cleaning, and so on. For this demo, I will use item. Product subtype can be either product or product master. Product is identical product. Product master like a template for variants. So for example, if we have TV and we have multiple sizes for this TV like 32 inch, 55 inch and so on. So instead of creating new product for each size, I can create one product master called TV. Then I can create multiple variants for each size. For this demo, I will use product. Next one is the product number. Product number is the ID cross legal entities. So I will use AH1001. Product name can be anything depending on your business. So I will use product one. Search name is a short name for searching. Item number is the ID for this product but in this specific legal entity in USMF. Search name also is the search name in this specific legal entity. Retail category, if you will use this product in retail scenarios, you can assign category from here. I will not use category, so I will leave it blank. Next one is catch weight. Catch weight is a functionality to allow you to manage product in 2 units, like each and kilogram. For example, if you have apples and these apples in bags, but each bag has different weight, so you can use piece or each to count the bags, and you can use kilograms or pounds to get the weight of each bag. Next one is apply template. If you create products every day or periodically and you don't want to enter the values every time, you can apply templates to automatically fill the fields. So I will leave it blank because I want to show you each field. Next one is item model group. Item model group has different parameters, but the main purpose of item model group is to assign the valuation method. For example, FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, moving average, standard cost. You need to work with your costing team to choose the best valuation method for your business. The next field is item group. Item can be used for classification, but the main purpose is to set up the posting profile. You need to work with your finance team to get the main account for each item group. For this one, I will use audio. Next one is storage dimension. Storage dimension to allow you to track the item in your warehouse. So we can track the items on site level, site and warehouse, site warehouse location. Maybe we can have other dimensions like license plate, inventory status. For this demo, I will use site and warehouse. Next one is tracking dimension group. Tracking dimension allow you to track your products like in batch or serial number or ownership. So batches can be used for food products. Serial number can be used for electronics, computers, cars. Uh, Ownership used for a cycle called consignment to determine if this product owned by this company or owned by the vendor. For this demo, I will not use batch or serial, I will use none. The next two fields related to the warehouse management module, I will skip them for now. The next field is buyer group. Buyer group to determine who will manage this product from the procurement perspective. I can choose anything here, like specials. The next field, unit of measures, we have different units like inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, and BOM unit. Inventory unit is the main unit of measure and should be the smallest unit. Any other unit should has unit conversion with inventory unit. So for this demo, I will keep all of them as each and I will show you how to create unit conversion. The next two fields for sales tax to determine the percentage of the sales tax. The next fields vendor information. If you purchase this item from specific vendor every time you can set up here default vendor. I can choose anything here. Next one is the vendor item number. This is the ID on the vendor side. We have here AH1001, but the vendor can has different ID. So I can set this one like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next three fields are the default price for purchasing, for sales, and for costing. I will set purchase price for 50, sales price for 60, inventory price for 50. After you click on OK, the application will redirect you to this page. This page has several fast tabs for each area and also has action pen here and has multiple tabs here and on the top here. So first one is general. This for general information. You can set up here the item number, search name, storage dimension, tracking dimension, and so on. Next one is the purchase tab. Purchase, you can set up the purchase unit, the over delivery if you want to allow vendor to send extra quantity. So I can set here 10%. So if the vendor send more than 10%, the application will give error. You can also set up here some other fields like price charge, line discount group, multi-line discount group. So it depends on your business, so you can set up what you need. Next one that I want to show you is sell. It's very similar to purchase tab, like set up the discount, multi-line discount, over delivery, under delivery, sales unit if you want to sell the product in different unit, commission group if you use commission functionality, the sales tax that will be applied during the sales process. The next one that I want to show you is manage inventory. Manage inventory, you can set here the weight, the depth, width, height, volume. If you use batch, you can set up here batch number group to assign the batch number automatically, serial for serial number, over delivery, under delivery for transfer order. Next one, engineer. This one, we have one important field here called production type. So bill of material for discrete manufacturing, formula, planning item, co-product, byproduct for process manufacturing, none if you will not use this item in any production. So can use this as none. The next tab is plan. Here you can set up the coverage group to determine how this item will be covered during while running the master plan or planning optimization. Next one is manage cost. We already set here the item group. We set here also the default cost price. We can set here cost group if we want to use overhead, assign overhead for this item, and also we can use this for classification. Next one is financial dimension. If you want to assign some dimension here for financial reporting. Next one here is warehouse, but this, as you see here, all the fields are grayed out because I did not use storage dimension allowed for enabled for warehouse management processes. On the top here, you will see different tabs. First one, product. From here, you can apply template to fill the values. Here, validate to check the mandatory fields. Here, if you want to create template from this product. Here, translation, if you want to set translation in different language, if you work with vendors using different language, you can set translation from here. Here you can set the storage dimension, tracking dimension. Also here you can set the category for classification. I can set here category like office machines. I can also set here unit conversion, for example, one box equal 10 each. Very simple. Next tab for purchase. From here you can set up trade agreement for this item. You can set up the approved vendor list, which vendor is allowed to deliver this item. Here is the external item description. We already set this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can set up here also the description for this item on the vendor side. Next one is sell tab. It's very similar to purchase. You can set here the trade agreement for this item, the ATP information or available to promise. Set up here also external item description if the customer has different ID for this item. Next one is manage inventory. From here you can see the on hand for this product. You can see the transactions. There is one here called default order setting to determine if this product will be purchased or produced. This one will be purchased, so I will leave it as it is. You can set up here also the default site, the default warehouse. You can set up here the standard quantity when creating purchase order. What is the max quantity for this order? You can set up here also the same for the inventory transaction and sales order transactions. Next one is engineer. If you will use this product in manufacturing, you can set up the route. You can set up the bill of material if you use discrete manufacturing. You can set up the formula if you use process manufacturing. Here you can set up the item coverage. You can set up the forecast for this item. You can run the master plan from here. Project, if you will use this product in project, but I will skip this because I don't use project here. Manage cost to set the cost price, the planned cost. You can override the posting profile from here. You can see the cost transaction. You can see the cost object, which means the cost on the site level or the warehouse level according to your setup. This one, if you will use this product in commerce or retail. This one for case management, I don't use case management, so I will skip this one. This one also, I never use this one. This one, you can personalize this page. You can see which security role allowed to see this page. You can see the record info from here. You can see, show all fields. You will be able to see all the fields related to item table. Now I want to show you how to create product master. Click on new product master, give it number AH1002, product name TV, product dimension group. I will use size only. Here we have something called configuration technology. If we the predefined variant is the simple one, so I can use this one for now because the other two require complex configuration. So I will use this one for this demo. Uh, I will use FIFO for item model group, audio here, site warehouse, none. I don't need to use batch or serial. I will leave the other fields as it is. Click OK. Then on the product tab, you need to click on product dimension. Then you need to click on new, and here you need to list all the size you have for TV. So 32, 55, 25, 85. Then click on save. Ooh, da, 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 da. We already said this, so click save. Then you need to click on released product variants. Click on variant suggestion, suggest all, then select all, then click on create button. This will create the variants for you. You can also click here to generate the description for the item or the variants. Now I want to show you how to create the product from different screen. So go to here, product information management, then go to products. Then click new, give it a name like product 2. Also give it number 2001. Then click on OK. Then you can set up here the storage dimension and tracking dimension. Then you need to click on release products. Click next. Here you can determine which company will use this product. So I will use this product in two legal entities, DEMF and USMF. Click next. Click finish. Then you can go back to the release product screen to complete the configuration. So here 2001. If you click on validate, you will get a warning. You need to set the item model group and item group. So I will click on edit button. I will set the item model group and I need to set the item group from the manage cost tab. Click on save. Let's close this warning and click on validate. Everything is okay now. Now I want to take a step back and show you how to create the item model group, storage dimension, tracking dimension, item group. So for item group and item model group, you need to go to different module. Go to here, modules, then inventory management, setup, inventory, item group. From here, you can create the item group you need and you can set the main account for each transaction type. You can also create the item model group from here. So here is the main field, the inventory model or the valuation method. You need to set the valuation method like FIFO, LIFO with average, moving average. We have different setup here according to your business need, but make sure to not enable this one unless there is a serious need to enable negative inventory because this can make a mess in your inventory. So be careful. Storage dimension, tracking dimension can be set from the product information management module. So we need to go to product information management module, then setup, dimension variant group, storage dimension, tracking dimension. You can set up the tracking dimension according to your business needs, like you need to track the product on site and warehouse or site only or site warehouse location, or you need to enable the warehouse management module like this. For tracking dimension, you can do the same. If you need to enable the serial number or the batch number here, like serial number, so you need to activate the serial from here. Also, you need to activate the physical inventory from here. Next one is the product dimension group. This is if you will use product master. So we have four different dimension can be used for product master, like style, size, color, configuration. And there is another one called version, but this will be used with different module called engineering management module. So we can create anything here, like size one, give it also description, size one, click save. Then you need to activate the size from here, then click save. Last but not least, product information management module has many setup, but there is no course can cover everything. So you need to go to product information management documentation on the Microsoft Docs and learn more about this module. Thanks for watching and wish you best of luck in your career.